Guys, ready?
Yes, sir.
File transfer protocol. Anybody will tell port numbers? 20, 21. Two protocols are there. TCP type of protocol it is. Okay. Next. Mm, Here in a Linux, we can use FTP or we use vsftpd. What is vsftpd? Is again vsftpd. This is the service. Okay. So very secure file transfer protocol is okay. But what is daemon? Daemon. My mon is enough. Daemon. 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 Okay, like that. STTPD. So what is D? Search for what is D. Like that. Daemon. Okay, like this. Oh, my spelling mistake. Daemon. Daemon. Like that. Okay. So like that. So whenever you see D, like that. Next. Okay. Here it is little tricky to get output, but installation is always same. So first of all, I will install the vsftpd. Okay. So first point is install vsftpd. So again, point is here diagram changes. Oh, save it. NFS. Now it's changed. Okay. So this is my FTP server. Okay. So I want to put a FTP inside. Again, same thing. PC 170 is my FTP server. I install FTP. I have a data, so I can able to access with the other PC. So simple, right? So here it is FTP, and this is the machine, and with the IP address is 192.168.0.170 PC. Okay, so I install FTP. That too vsftp I install now. Okay, so what we can able to do it, access this data from two ways you can able to access. You can use any FTP application. You can use any FTP app or a browser. Okay, access the FTP data. Access the data from FTP server. First one. Second one, sync the data. So this is my PC 118. Here sync or access FTP data. So we'll see what we can able to do it. So here, first of all, we install FTP, firewall, and all other things. So this is my PC, right? So this is my PC. First install it. Yum install. Why I'm typing like this? vsftpd. Okay, FTP is different. vsftp is little different. Okay, press yes, install it. Yes, FTP install. After installation, what to do?
Check service.
Yes. The second one is services. Third one is configuration. First of all, we go to services. Systemctl status vsftpd that service. Start the service. And next one is check the status. Running. It is not running at a boot time. Means when I restart my computer, automatically service will be down. Again, I have to manually start the service. Instead of that one, what I have to do? Enable the service. Enable the service. Again, check the status. Got enabled. And what to do? History. See, I and accept the configuration and access. All are same only. All are same only. Okay. Next. Firewall also you can create now, no problem. But it's just it's a FTP, but okay. And here it is. Look at here. ls space slash var slash www. No, not w. FTP pub. Okay. It does not contain anything. I'm going to put some file cat slash etc. Sorry. Slash var slash FTP pub. I'm putting my FTP file one. So how to put a FTP VSFTP v file one dot txt, and this is v file one dot txt file in 170 PC and in FTP pub. So if you miss pub now, yesterday and today, no problem. You have a pub file here. And when you are configure what to do, when your configuration is done, restart the services. Before going to restart the service, I will try here FTP colon slash slash 192.168.0.170. Okay, open Internet Explorer. Okay, we'll try in Internet Explorer. Hmm. It is waiting. Maybe there is a two reasons. One is service reason. Second one is firewall reason. Firewall -cmd -fn. You have to tell me what happened. Okay, no problem. Zone equal to public. Next one is permanent. Permanently, I want to add this one. Add hyphen port equal to push port number 20 slash TCP. But two port numbers, right? It is little difficult, so then I put a like this. You can use like this also, no problem. Yeah, what happened? Equal to 20 comma 21 slash TCP. TCP port. Successful. Reload. List hyphen all. So port numbers are added, but we have to check it like once again. Reload. Explorer is disabled actually, so we have to use this one or that one. Cancel. Close. Maybe I didn't given any permissions. It's not working here. Yeah, I know that what is the problem. I know. Firewall. So we need a little bit patience for this one. Configuration done. Uh, Fourth one is firewall. Okay. SC Linux is also not blocking anything. Just one because it's in a default location. Okay. I'm trying to access with my other PC with the Linux PC. So first of all, we'll confirm from here. Okay. So my client PC, I'm trying to access very simple FTP 192.168.0.170. Okay. VSFTP, not found there. Both are I'm installing, so anything will work. Okay, here it is. FTP 192.168.0.170. It is asking as user is root, login failure. Now try again. The user is root, failure. There is a very smallest reason is there. I am failing SC Linux problem. It's common data. It is a common data, so no problem. No SC Linux problem. Access related problem. Install FTP by FTP. FTP will do it first. Systemctl. We have to start FTP. FTPD. Status FTP. making me a problem. FTP colon slash slash. It's quite easy. That's why normally you can go to FTP like this and you can connect any IP address with the port number. To question to connecting also same thing, like these are the commands in a FTP. This is dir, mget, mput, put. These three commands is very important. Some delete. Where is the connect command? Connect. See. Connect. Login. Logout. Ls. Not connecting. Why? Why it is not listening to me? Firewall column. Not even it is. Yeah, I got it. Understand, but I'm searching for another column. Okay. Okay. Name is root. Okay. Permission denied. I am getting permission denied for a public file. Normally, you want to do like a FTP student one at the rate 192.168.0.170. Why it is unknown? At least module work. No. Yeah, why it is? Why? NFS completed, SSH completed, SCP completed. Why it is doing this? It is working here. See, this is the file. It is a file content. Yeah, but what is working, guys? Necessarily worried. I tried with this my browser. It is not understanding. Okay, this is the one only. I will try from my Windows machine also. But I have to go Firefox. Try with Firefox. Will try. So what I have done, I'm trying to access with the FTP. Actually, direct yeah, also there. Then SC Linux problem is also there. Not now. So try from my Windows also FTP colon slash slash my server name. Try browser problem or server problem. Why it is why it is not opening FTP? Hub. It is not working. So Linux to Linux is working. Maybe because of the file system or something. We don't know exactly. File system, file permissions like that. It is there is a sometimes problems are there. Okay. Okay. Last one I will tell guys. This is working, but it's not working in Windows. Okay. Simple. I created a FTP. This is my FTP server. Okay, and I put a file in that one in my directory. If you want to, I will put another directory also. So cats greater slash where slash pub, sorry, ftp and a pub v file 2 dot txt. So I put this is v file 2 file. Okay, just one line only. So I given. Okay, so I just refresh this one. Just in a browser, I put it pub. Two files are there. Second file newly uploaded. This is the file. You want to download, you can also download it also. You can download into your system. Okay, and you can't upload because that is I didn't return. Okay, maybe if you try to upload a file through the browser, is maybe it won't acceptable. Okay, yeah, something any file like this. Take a file browser. This is Varasta systems. Yeah, it's not doing anything. Okay, so this is FTP pub. Inside we have a files. So this is first scenario I told. This is the FTP server. This is the FTP server, and I access with the browser. Okay, access the browser, but it is actually works with Windows also because it's a service is important, not a kind of stuff. Okay, but it is not working. Okay, so what I'm going to do is in a both the PCs. Look at here. I'm going to create a user. I'm adding a user. Mm, I created a user here, Harish. Okay, Harish, and give the password for Harish. Okay, I created a password for Harish in this PC, and here also same thing. I'm adding a same user. Okay, pass wd. Uh, whenever the time is less, mine won't work properly. Okay, both side Harish. I created. Remember that one. Second, I'm opening a putty session. Second putty session. Login with the Harish. So compulsory login with the Harish. Okay, Harish is logged. Okay, next. Here is Harish is not logged, but I'm trying to switch to Harish. So Harish is there. LS, nothing is there. FTP, last try. So username is Harish. Yes. Display the password. Harish. Login successful. Okay. LS, nothing is there. Guys, I'm creating a file here. How to create a any file like that's like a. So you want a help like a, you put a help. These are all commands you can able to run. Okay, so I'm connecting from my 170. Oh shit, how to connect 118. Harish, no host to connect. My mind is not working properly. Yeah, this is a common very simple things. Okay, it is asking Harish. Yes, enter password. Yes, yes, successful. At least from here it is working. Okay, ls, nothing is there. Here I log in as a Harish, guys. I'm in a my host only. Mine is 170 here. ls, no data. So touch okay, cat h file 1. This is h file 1 file from 170. Control D. File is created, guys. File is created. Okay, file is created in a 170. In 170, file is created. Okay, so look at here. ls file is there. Okay, cat hf1 file is there. Okay, command is invalid. Okay, command is not working here. We can see ls is working. Now I want to download this file into my local PC. I want to download this file into my local PC, means into 118. Okay, get hf1 transfer completed. Transfer completed. Okay, transfer completed. You want to see where it is located. Other locations, my computer, home, Harish, hf1. Understand? I downloaded it. I downloaded it, guys. Very simple. Okay. For example, I'm creating a file here. I'm creating a file in my local. Okay. So how to create a file here? Text editor. Okay. So this is file from 118 by Harish. Okay, so I want to save it, but where it will be saved? So it will show you location, other location. Okay, just look at this one, computer, home directory, Harish, and tell me the name something. Um, no, why it is showing like this? Um, HF118. Okay, save the file, close it. See, here is a file under Harish in my 118 PC in my client. Now I want to upload it to here. I want to upload here. So look at, only HF1 file is there. Okay, only HF1 file is there. See, I I downloaded, right? Now I upload. Put HF118. So is it uploaded or not? So check it. LS 118 is came. Okay. I think a lot of people get confused. So look at here. What I done, I created a user with the same names. You can use different names also, but to avoid a confusion, I use a same names only. And it is created another confusion, Harish. Okay. So later I'll use different users also. Don't worry. Okay. Harish. So what I've done in 118, I log in with the Harish. Okay. And I put a FTP, just a number. Okay. Like this. Now I got a FTP password. It is asking a password. I given a password for that one, and it is asking a username. Okay, it is asking a name. I put a Harish. Which Harish? 170 Harish. It is asking a password, and I given a password. It is showing like this. I put LS. It's showing this users one. Okay, so here whatever it is. Next, I created a file. Is HF1 I created. Okay. Next, when I put a ls, it is showing hf1. Okay, it is showing hf1. So what I want to do is I put a get hf1, means I download into my piece. So I download into 118. I download into 118. Okay. Next, I put a hf1. Sorry, hf118. It means upload into 118 PC. Upload into 118 PC. Okay, so this is what I done. You may get a doubt, sir, both are same names, so how can we understand? Okay, so what I'm going to do is minimize this one. I will try to switch here, switch student one. Okay, ls, these are the files in the student one. Okay, here also I'm exit. I'm in a Harish, no problem. You can use root also. No. It will give you confusion again. No. So Harish, don't exit from the Harish. For compulsory login once. Compulsory login. Okay. Save session, duplicate session. So reset the terminal. So in my 170, I'm logging with student one. First compulsory login before you what to do. Okay, ls. Okay, in my 170, I log in as a student one. So minimize this one. So this is student one. Okay, these are the files in the student one. Remember. Now, what I'm going to do is FTP 192.168 dot student one. Username is student one. Now it is asking password and student one. Now I log in. ls. Can you see? Can you see? All these are all in our remote PC only. Okay. So guys, what I done again? I will explain once again. So here I log in with the student because user must be login. The student one login. I put a ls. It's showing some output. In this one again FTP 192.168 dot whatever the user it is. First it is asking a name. Give the name student one. Password. Give the password for a student one. Then you will get a FTP ls. Okay, guys, understand this one? Or still confusion? Okay, guys, I am explaining again. This is my FTP server, and this is the FTP access. Here it is. I log in with the user. Okay, I log in with user. I have a data in the user's profile data. Next, this is my remote server. I am trying to connect to this server by using IP address FTP like this. Okay. Next, it is asking for a login name. Earlier, we tried with the root kind of stuff. It's not working. So I'm using a username here. I given a student one here. In this one, you can log into anything, no problem. Okay. Harish or anything, no problem. Student one. Next, giving a password and we got a FTP type. Want to quit from the FTP? FTP by kind of stuff. Okay. Next. So these are the files, or you can see these are the files. Okay. Tell me one of the file here. I will download into. Okay. So what are the file here? I will download here. Tell me one file from my this side. Tell me one file. Which file is having a data something? Output file cat OF1. Oh, it is having a very good data. See, it is cat OF1 having so much of data here. Okay. Okay. So I'm downloading into my PC. Here it will be download, guys. Here, no. Actually, which user I log in, that is important. Here, okay. First of all, I will put a by. See, what I'm doing is I'm connecting to my remote PC like this. FTP. My remote PC IP address is like this 170. I connected and give the username of remote PC. Username of remote PC is student one. Remember, when I'm trying to log in, my current user is root. My current user is root. Sorry, but the password of remote PC student one is a student one only. Okay, student one only. Now I log in there. My student one data is like this. ls space like this. Okay, this is the student one data. Next, next. This is a slash home. So actually, you go to home. This is your current directory. Okay, so the root related one. Okay, so remember file 1, gf1, file 2, some 170 like this. This is these are the files are located in this file location. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I want to download of1 file. I'm downloading of1 file from remote PC to my local PC. I'm downloading. To download, what command? Get of1 downloaded. Downloaded or not? Downloaded. See, of1 file I download into my local PC. That's why I use here. See, just the content. Okay, now this is how to download. Get of1. How to upload local data to remote data. Okay, I'm uploading. Yep, file 1 is okay to upload, or a lot of file ones are there. Yeah, gf1. I'm uploading gf1. Okay, I'm uploading gf1. So make sure that why this is showing like this. Make sure that gf1 is not there. Not there, right? gf1 is not there. I'm uploading from my local PC to remote PC. gf1 uploading. How to upload? Put gf1.txt. Okay, so put command local remote. Now go to this one, put ls. gf1 came. See, now it is came. You want to read it? What is there? The file completed. Everybody got silented. Silent people. Okay, guys. 38 members, 36 members are remaining. So this is your FTP. Okay, but from Windows it is not working. Why, I don't know. So why it is Windows is not working? So maybe it is a problem in the Linux or Windows. We don't know. So chmod 666 slash where slash ftp slash pub open Kepler. The permission not permitted. Okay, because of I'm user sudo. Okay, try, not trying. Set, set to get so many things are there. Guys, are you understand or not?
Understand, sir.
Understand, right? So very simple. This is my PC. This is my PC. Okay, in this PC. So how many students are there? Here it is. Okay, in this PC, I install NTFS and I made this 170 as a server. I made this one as a server, and I put a files inside of this server, the location like a slash where slash www, no, ftp hub. Okay, I put a two files on it. I put a two files on it inside. Okay, I'm trying to access with the Windows server, but I'm unable to access it, so it is not agreeing it. So when I trying to access with my another client with like this, so I can able to access it. Okay, I can able to access the file using browser, or you can use a FTP. Some applications also we can able to access the data. This is how can you upload and download. But I didn't given any configuration for uploading downloading using a browser or like that. Okay, uh, authentication configuration we have to do it. I didn't done. Next one is I'm trying to connect my remote FTP kind of stuff from my client. This is my client. I'm connecting to my server. Again, final point. Again, I'm telling. Okay, so I'm connecting to remote one. The remote client must be login, but root is not login. Unable to do root kind of stuff. So you must go with the any normal users like a student one like that, or Harish or anyone. Which user is login to remote PC? Only that user you can able to do it. If you want to upload the file, upload command. You want to download the file, get command. Okay, that is your file. Okay, I am unable to write here. So anybody prepare a notes for this one, so you can try it. So we done this one. So right, in browser FTP colon slash slash 192.168.0.170. If you have a geomod, that is will be work. Next one is PC118. Here only use PC118 only here. So in again PC118 TP 172.168.0.170. I'm using student one. Ask for username. Give the username. Pass WD student one password. Then it will do like this. ls for to see FTP put sorry get some file. So I downloaded YF1 file FTP put. I uploaded gf1.php. Get download put this for upload. Get for download multiple files. Put upload multiple files. Remember these two commands. How to access. Okay, like this. Next, to get out. By yeah, someone put a comment. It's sir, if VM is on, we can access the given link from anywhere or only host to the client. For example, I got it like this is the virtual machine, and I install HTTP or FTP. Can we access like that, right? Can you access? This is my server. Can you access my server or not? Of course, my virtual machine is connected to internet. the services provided from the my server you can able to access because I connected to internet, but you cannot access. Very simple. Check the IP address. What is this IP address? Anyone? What is this IP address? Hello, it is 2 o'clock. I have to close.
GA, sir.
What is this IP address? I'm not asking you about about a mission and all. I'm asking just look at this IP address and what you want to say.
IPv4.
Very good. IPv4. Go for details.
System IP.
System IP, IPv4.
32 bits.
IPv4 is 32-bit. Which class it is?
Sir, class A.
Class C IP address. Very good. Is it a private IP address or public IP address?
Private.
Private IP address. Very good. Because of my mission is having a private IP address, you can't access. Even though mission is connected to internet, but you can't access my website or FTP services from your end. You can't access. Why? Because of it's a private. So machines are connected to internet, but IP address is private. So what to do? I have to put a public IP address by purchasing public IP from ISP, and then I have to insert that one. So then you can able to access. Okay, VM can be accessible, but only thing is network. Okay, yeah, private IP address. Guys, that's it. That's about your FTP. While uploading mine, so then I will explain once